1,000,000,000 question, guys. Here is key programming. See, the all slot is virgin. What we're gonna do? We're going to coding and programming. I believe this one. No, I think that one. Yes. Ask for key programming. Yes. Yes, everything is connected and cabin area. See, check all keys marked. Reactivate existing key, press the lock button, and all key display will change to active. Activate new key, press the luggage and unlock button together for 5 seconds. Wait until the display change to active. Repeat this for all new key. Let's start. And then you press stop, and after you finish the programming. I have some 2 extra key. I don't know. This is the like I said, we have 2 slots and they are virgin. Okay, we have to press unlock and luggage button for 5 seconds. And see, this is flashing. I press and hold. Nothing's going on this key. Again, press and hold. Nothing. Oh no, it's programming. Active. That's it. One key is active. Let's program the second key. I press and hold in about 5 seconds. We just wait. Nothing's going on. Press and hold one more time. Nothing's going on, but I think this is problem with the key. Anyway, we have one key. What is work for this car? Now we need to press stop button. Operation is successful. Now we can check this key. How? See, I press button, it's already blink. Key is programming. Now we need to do the unpairing immobilizer. Okay, now we need to unpair immobilizer system. This is really important things. Unpair. Start. Unpair immobilizer, battery charge, ignition on, engine off, of course. That's it. This is take about 4 to 5 minutes. See, now it's 2 of them complete pass. Now we need to go and do the alignment car configuration, and after alignment, car is going to automatically to sleep mode. Okay, wait 10 seconds. Ignition is on. Sleep mode. We disconnect this guy, we disconnect that guy, and leave this car alone for 5-10 minutes.
5 minutes later.
Okay, now it's after 5 minutes. We need to unlock the car right like this. Okay. Come on. And now let's fire up and check how is the car running. It's alive.